Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying account details and ensuring the optical network terminal or fiber gateway is live. This prevents authentication delays. Once powered, place the primary mesh node close to the ONT and plug the WAN port into the ONT's Ethernet output so the mesh can claim the public IP. Make sure LEDs show an initial boot sequence. This indicates firmware is loading. If credentials are required, enter them now through the Sky app or Web UI. This step hands the mesh its ISP link and begins internal network creation. You pair each additional node using the Sky app's Add Device flow, scanning the QR or entering the PIN pairs quickly and securely. Once paired, place secondary nodes about 2 to 3 room distances from the primary, avoiding appliances and thick masonry that block signals, because line of sight and minimal interference maximize throughput. If you can, run an Ethernet backhaul between nodes for the best latency and stability. Otherwise, confirm the app reports a strong 5 GHz link quality before you finalize locations and apply settings. You finish by customizing your SSID and security, enabling automatic firmware updates so the system stays current, and validating coverage with speed tests in key rooms. This ensures consistent experience everywhere in the home. Once done, enable guest networks or parental controls as required, then recheck device connectivity. If nodes fail to join or performance is poor, power cycle the ONT and mesh node, test a wired backhaul, and only perform a factory reset if pairing repeatedly fails. That single troubleshooting tip often clears persistent state issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.